Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about two very important terms in software engineering. First is MTBF and MTTR. Okay, so first word is MTBF. Okay, MTBF means mean time between failures. Okay, mean means average. Okay, and time means hours, minutes, and days. Okay, so but mean time between failures. Okay, MTBF means mean time between failures. One means between failure means the time gap between one failure and next failure. Okay, so MTBF tells us how long a system runs smoothly before it breaks down again. Okay, example, see, if your website fails 4 times in 1000 hours, then MTBF is 1000 divided by 4 equal to 250 hours. Okay, this means on average your website works for 250 hours before failing. Okay, then second is MTTR. Okay, MTTR. See, MTTR means mean time to repair or sometimes mean time to recover. Okay, again, mean time means average, and time to repair means how much time it takes to fix problem after failure. Okay, so MTTR tells us how quickly you can bring your system back to normal after it breaks. Okay, see, example, if your system was down for 10 hours, okay, then total across 4 failures, then MTTR is equal to 10 divided by 4 equal to 2.5 hours. Okay, this means on average it takes 2.5 hours to fix your system when it fails. Okay, see, main difference, first is MTBF, then reliability. Okay, how often failures happen. Okay, MTBF MTBF means reliability, means how often failures happen. Then MTTR, recovery speed, means how fast you fix failures. Okay, see, then a relationship between them, there is simple formula for availability. Availability means equal to MTBF divided by MTBF plus MTTR, means this shows that if MTBF is high, failures are rare. Okay, and MTTR is low, means repairs are fast, your system availability will be very good. Okay, so how to improve MTBF? See, first is design your system to avoid failures. Okay, then add backups, test properly, and remove weak points. Okay, how to improve MTTR? Make sure you can detect problems quickly. Then use good monitoring tools. Okay, then keep automation and runbooks ready so your team can fix issues faster. Okay, so in short, MTBF means average time between failures, MTTR means average time to fix failures. Okay, So both are important together. They tell us how reliable and available a system really is. Okay, now you know the meaning of MTBF and MTTR with simple examples. You can read that. Okay, see,